name is Mark Creighton. I know him as Mark the Pirate. I'm Ivan Martin. I'm also in another group called Raw Earth. Hopefully we can come back here and bring a bunch of belly dancers in our big world sound some night, but we'll have to work on that. Anyway, hey, we're going to take you back with about some War and Peace. You know, that's in the news again. We're going to take you back to some times that were very different. And so here we're going to kind of remind people of those different times. Okay, we're going to switch gears here. And we're going to sing a little piece about how we wish wars really were. And of all pieces, you know, this is a piece from the Monkees. The Monkees actually did it. So, yeah, it sounds a little funny, but actually, yeah, when you hear it, as we put it out there for you, it makes a little sense. fashion their weapons one upon one, ton upon ton. The dying of the dawn, the great war begun. Out went the call to one and to all, echoed and roared like a thunder. Guns roar upon roar, roar upon roar, rolling the call, come now to war. Throughout the night they fashioned their muskets, with right on the side of the mighty, puzzled their minds with plan upon plan, man upon man. The dying of the dawn, the great war began. They met on the battlefield, banner in hand, looked out across the vacant land, counted them missing one by one, none upon none. The war, it was over before it begun. Two little kings playing a game. They gave a war and nobody came. Nobody came. They gave a war and nobody came. Thank you very much. Doesn't that make a hell of a lot of sense? I'm telling you. All right, I know we're rolling right through them, and we're only going to do 3 because we want to come back and do 3 more. Those will be real different because the next set that we come back with, we don't know when we'll come back, but it'll be a week or 2 or 3, and that'll be about madness, all about madness and the madness of just being here. Yeah. All right. This last one might be a little familiar. By a guy named Yusuf Islam. Yusuf Islam. Some might know him as with another name, but that's what he's going by these days. How long? How long has the peace train been gone? How long? How long? Tell me how long? Went to the station with a hope inside, hoping to see that peace train arrive. How long? Tell me how long? Oh, it's still beating, feels so blue. How long must the world go shine louder, light on the peace train. Peace train, shine louder, light on the peace train. Who you are, come on, peace train. I've been crying lately about the world ends. I've been crying lately, thinking about the world as it is. How long? Tell me how long? How long? These trains been gone. How long has the peace train gone? How long? Tell me how long? Thank you very much. Just a little story there, so you know, so I'm not sitting up here with bullshit trying to sell you a bunch of peace crap. Since 2005, that's where I came from tonight. I've stood up on the corner up on Grand and Lindo at a peace vigil. And I encourage folks to get involved with some kind of peace activity, because the way we're headed, we're not heading down a very peaceful path together. So, yeah, we got a lot of fixing to do, and we can get that to happen, but just something if you need to do it, stop in there some night and stand with us and just try to be peaceful for a half hour out of your life. Anyway, hey, we hope to be back here. Thanks a lot, Blue Strawberry. We love you. We'll come back and be better and stronger next time. He's a Scotsman. I'm part of the Nigel and the Nine Hostages heritage. There's only about 7 million of us out there. So, but that's where my DNA traces to. So we just love finding this music from the old country, so to speak, or when we can tie something in. I'm with a bigger group called Raw Earth. We've been making world sounds for over 15 years. And my friend here, Mark the Pirate.
I'm gonna let them do one more because this is pretty cool, you guys. Like, it's pretty cool. Is that okay? Maybe everybody got my promise. I just want to do one more. Okay, cool. Thanks, guys.
Again, it's been a pleasure. Thanks for the Blue Strawberry
Next
for
time it's
keeping
gonna
this
be
going. It's great to see all this talent. Thank you. Well, those guys up there, that guy in the drum, man, he's so confident. Hope you're forgetting who I am.
Watch his face change if he busts a string. Oh, you're fine, you're fine.